Find the number of terms of the AP. So given the AP 32, 29, 26 to 1 minus 118. Now, this is the first term, T1. This is the second term, and this is the third term. Why this term is called the last term? This is the last term because this is a finite sequence. You can see, for a finite sequence, there's always a last term. This is the last term, and for this last term, is denoted as Tn. So in this case, we want to find the number of terms in the sequence. That means we are looking for the value of n. When you have to find number of times in the sequence or in an AP, you are looking for the number of terms, which is the value of n. You are looking for the value of n in that question. So in this case, from what we have here, T1, which is A, is equals to T1 equals to 32. The next thing to find here is to look for the common difference, D, which is T2 minus T1. What's going to be T2 minus T1? That will be 29 minus 32. And 29 minus 32 will give us minus 3 because 32 is greater than 29. So when you are taking away bigger number from smaller number, you have a negative result. So we have minus 3 as the common difference. Now, we have our Tn to be equals to minus 118 from the question. Now, what is the formula for Tn? Tn is what? A plus n minus 1d. Then equals to minus 118. Now, from here, we know the value of A. What's the value of A? We are going to substitute. That is 32. Then plus n minus 1 times, what's the value of D? Common difference. That's minus 3. And that's equals to what? Minus 118. So in this case, we need to expand the bracket here. 32 minus 3 times n, we have minus 3n. Then minus 3 times minus 1. Minus times minus is plus, so we have plus 3 equals to minus 118. So in this case, we are going to collect the light n. We have minus 3n here. Then we can transfer 32 to the right hand side. We are going to have minus 32. Then plus 3 to the right hand side, we have minus 3. So minus 3n equals to what? From here we have minus 118 minus 32. And that will give us minus 150. Then minus 150 minus 3 will give us minus 153. So in this case, the next thing for us to do is to divide both sides by 3. Dividing both sides by 3, minus 153 divided by 3, minus 3. We are dividing both sides by minus 3 because that is the coefficient of n. So minus 3 here 1, minus 3 here 1. So n will be equals to what? Minus, we cancel minus here. 15 divided by 3, we have what? 5. Then 3 divided by 3, we have 1. So in this case, the value of n equals to 51, and that is the number of terms. Thank you.